buddhi. Number one. The second stage is the epilepsy pathogenesis progress to indriyas. The third stage is epilepsy progressing to our motor organs. Clear? And the music therapy is maximum working on this hridaya level only. So, only with the music therapy there is no result at all. But if I am giving the classical treatments of Ayurveda along with this epilepsy, means anti-epileptic protocols of the music therapy, definitely it will give good results. And I have not that much case series. I have several solitary experiences, but we need to, and we are confident enough to treat such cases of epilepsy with this music therapy, because most of the cases what is happening is spastic quadriplegia like cases. We are giving multiple treatments like rectomotor, and we are giving some hormonal treatment in sometimes, and we are giving nausea treatment. Along with that, we give this music also. So specifically assessing the efficacy of music therapy in epilepsy, we couldn't do that. But anyway, we are confident that area, epilepsy, is a thrust area for music therapy. So, thank you Dr. Anaga and Dr. Veena Ravindran. They are the real